Welcome guys, today I am with the Jaybird Vista and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your laptop. Okay, first of all, open the case, click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking. Make it right now. As you can see, there it is. Put it back, do not close the case, and on your laptop you have to open the Bluetooth settings. Enable Bluetooth by tapping right here on the switcher and click to add device. Select Bluetooth. Select the Jaybird Vista by tapping with your mouse. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.